Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Leo people, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. First, let's check the current energy and then we'll proceed with the reading. The Magician, okay, the card of beginning. You have started something. You have that traits, you have that skills, you have everything to make wonders in relationship. Okay, perhaps it seems like your relationship was not going up to the mark as it was supposed to be in past. So now you have taken a lead of this relationship in your hand and you are saying that it's okay, it's my relationship, I need to save it. So it seems like you are being very stubborn to make this relationship a successful relationship. Okay. Now let's see the current energy. King of Cups. Okay, it seems like your person is, lost somewhere. It doesn't mean that they don't have they don't have emotions. They do love you, they have emotions for you, they do care about you, but something is there which is diverting their attention. It could be anything. It could be their job responsibility, it could be their personal commitments, it could be their family commitments, it could be anything. So something is there which is attracting their attention. Okay, but you need to be rest assured that this person loves you, that this person adores you, that this person has emotions for you. Okay, now let's see what you feel about them or what you think about them and what actions you are going to take towards them and what they think about you and what actions they can take towards you. Okay, what do you think about them? What actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, what actions they can take towards you. Okay, abundance. So you see this person as somebody who has a vast knowledge of everything. Okay, this person is someone who has a vast knowledge of every topic. Alright, you see them as somebody who is a knowledgeable person. You see them as somebody who is blessed because Divine has given them some hidden talents and you really appreciate that, you really like that, you really adore them. Alright, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. You are trusting them. You have kept your faith in them, you have kept your belief in them, you are just trusting them like anything. Okay, you have jumped for this person, you have started taking actions to this person without even giving it a thought that this might be your false decisions, but right now you are trusting them. Okay, now let's see what your person thinks about you. Friendliness. Okay, your person sees you as somebody that you are someone who is a very down to earth person. Okay, you are someone who is very helpful, very friendly. Okay, whenever they see you, they always feel that if in this entire universe only one person can help me, and that is you, Leo. Okay, so they see you as not as a friend, but yes, they see you as somebody who is a nurturer, who is a giver, who is a provider. Alright, who is always ready to help the other person. Okay, now let's see what actions they can take towards you. Patience. Okay, perhaps this person wants you to keep patience right now because they have their own things. I told you in the beginning that this person is getting attracted by something else. So perhaps this person is going through something which they are not able to share with you, which they are uncomfortable, or they do not want to pull you in this thing. Okay, so they just want you to keep patience. They just want you to sit, relax and be calm. Okay, don't think anything negative about it. Don't think anything negative about them. Just have patience. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Perfect timing. Angels are also asking you to have patience, because you need to wait for the perfect timing. Perhaps the timing between you and them is not right now, is not correct right now. That's why this person is getting attracted towards something else. That's why this person is not able to give you complete attention. Okay, so please wait for the perfect timing. Okay, so Leo, in this reading I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this reading as well. Alright, so that was the reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.